Hello friends, welcome to Shirl's Foodies. Today I'm back with another quick recipe, that is white sauce pasta.
First of all, we'll require 1.5 cup of pasta. We'll first boil it. So
So
friends,
friends,
here
here
you
you
can
can
see
see
the
the
water
water has
has
nicely
started
boiled.
boiling.
Now to this we'll add in the pasta. Now we'll let it boil until they are nice and tender. We'll add in salt to taste and let it boil until they are nice and tender. So friends, here the pasta is cooked well. Now we'll drain off the water and take it off in another bowl. So friends, here I have drained off the water and I have taken it off in another bowl. Now we'll add in at least 1 tablespoon of oil and mix it gently. So friends, here I'm done mixing the pasta. Now we'll go ahead to the next step.
So the vegetables that I've taken to make the pasta are broccoli, finely chopped French beans, finely chopped carrot, and chopped green bell pepper. All these vegetables that I've taken are half cup. Here I've taken 1 teaspoon of chili flakes, 1 teaspoon of crushed black pepper, and 1 teaspoon of oregano. So first of all, in a pan we'll take 2 to 3 tablespoons of olive oil. Then we'll add in the vegetables. We'll add all the vegetables together. Now here I've taken these 4 vegetables. You can even add more vegetables if you want. Now we'll saute them. We won't overcook these vegetables. Now cover it with a lid and then let it cook for at least 5 to 10 minutes. Now to this we'll add in chili flakes. We'll only add half teaspoon first. Then we'll add half teaspoon of black pepper powder. And then we'll add in half teaspoon oregano. We'll mix it well. Friends, here the vegetables are cooked. We don't have to overcook them. So they are done. Now we'll take them off in a plate. Here I've taken 2 cups of milk and 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour. Here I've taken half cup of grated cheese. You can even add 3 slices of cheese. Now here we'll add in a little bit of oil. Just saute the all-purpose flour. Just for a few seconds we'll mix it. We don't want the color of the all-purpose flour to change. Now we'll add in the milk. While you add in the milk, keep on stirring it because you don't want lumps in your mixture. After adding in the milk,
Stir it for a while. Now as soon as it comes to a boil, add in the cheese. Give it a quick stir until the cheese melts. Now we'll add in oregano, black pepper, and chili flakes. Now it is nicely thickened. Now we'll add in the vegetables. Now we'll add salt to taste. Just mix it well. Now we'll add in our pasta. And mix it until it is nicely coated with the cheesy mixture. So friends, now our pasta is ready. Now we'll switch off the flame and then we'll serve it. So friends, here our creamy white sauce pasta is ready. This recipe is really very easy. Go ahead and try this recipe. Enjoy.
So friends, if you like this recipe, please do hit the like button and subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon for more amazing and new recipes. Thanks for watching.